Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IK option script and support and resistance script, automated support and resistance script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel link in my description box. Okay, and if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start binary and forex trading. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next script and indicator. Okay, so let's start trading with this support and resistance script. Download link in my description box. Okay, download it. Let's see. Okay, I have placed it on lower option because market touched the resistance level. Let's see the result. Here is a OTC market. There OTC market is a very risky. If you are a beginner, you cannot trade on OTC market. Okay, very risky market. Let's see the result. If the market break this level, I have gone with up. Okay, trade up. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, I on this trade, very good. I have profit $700. Okay.